Hi, this is Mark Milligan for CopyMove Systems, and we're taking a look today at how you save a quote as a new job type. You can see I've got a quote going here already. I've created an estimate document. In this case, this is an hourly estimate. I've got the packing that came through from the cube sheet. I've got a simple article list for a move that we're doing. And what we want to explore here is what happens if the shipper pops up and decides that they want to turn this into an interstate move. Maybe they're going out of state. Maybe they're considering going out of state. So I'm going to click on the File menu and I'm going to click on Save Duplicate Quote. And under this screen, I'm going to hit New Job Type. And then up comes your job type list. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick an interstate move. And I'm going to say Start Quote. And what that does is it creates another quote record. Except now it's in the interstate move type. The cube sheet articles that were on the original quote still come through. The addresses still come through. But suppose now they're going to a completely different destination. Let's say in this case, zip code 62054 in Illinois. Now when I go into this quote record, I've got the miles from that. I've got the original estimated weight. Now I've got charges. Maybe I change the discount percentage. Now I've got interstate transportation bill items. Now I can print something like an interstate estimate and I can provide that to my shipper. So I have not turned the original record into a new record. I've got two records. I've got a quote for the local move and I've got another quote now for the interstate move. Dave Salesman is my salesperson in both cases. So now if I go into Job System and I go into Existing and I pick Dave Salesman, it's going to show both moves, but it's going to show Roger Waters' first move is a local move and Roger Waters' second quote is an interstate quote. Then when this job sells, I can decide which one sells. I can actually take this further and I can go into the local move quote and I can maybe save it as a duplicate quote. Save it as a new quote in the same job type. Go to the cube sheet, tell it to not extend the cartons to the packing screen, which zeroes that out. Come in here in the primary tab, say no packing. Of course, the shipment cost goes down when I do that. Then I can save it. Now when this salesperson is selected, we've got a local move hourly, we have an interstate move, and because I put that supplemental description on there, now I've got a move that says no packing. So now I've got three different records going for this person. Whichever one they decide to go with in the end is the one I'm going to convert to a job, and I can put the other two in canceled status. Now I've done this in desk mode, but it works exactly the same in a tablet and mobile mode. All the menus are in the same spot, all the functions work exactly the same way. So that's how you make a duplicate quote record in different job types, potentially with different options in the same job type, make multiple estimates if you need them, and then convert the one that actually sells. That's it. If you've got questions, please call our office. Thanks.